Did you know that over 3.5 billion people watch YouTube every single day? That's not a typo. That's more than the entire population of North and South America combined, all tuning in every 24 hours. It's a digital nation of viewers, hungry for content. And in this vast ocean of attention, a new kind of creator is emerging. They're building incredibly successful channels, generating substantial passive income, and they're doing it all without ever showing their face or manually creating every single piece of content themselves. They've cracked the code. This isn't some far-off fantasy or a get-rich-quick scheme. This staggering statistic proves that YouTube automation is no longer just a dream. It's a tangible, achievable reality for anyone ready to leverage the right strategies and systems. It's about shifting your mindset from being a content to being a content. You design the blueprint, you build the system, and then you let that system work for you, creating a consistent flow of high-quality videos that attract viewers and generate revenue, day in and day out. But let's be honest. If you're a complete beginner, the idea of starting a YouTube channel can feel less like an opportunity and more like standing at the base of Mount Everest. You're feeling overwhelmed. And trust me, you are not alone. So many aspiring creators get stuck before they even start. They face a storm of challenges. There's the paralysis of picking the right niche. What if you choose wrong and waste months on a topic nobody cares about? There's the daunting task of attracting those first crucial views. You pour your heart into a video, hit publish, and then crickets. It feels like shouting into a void. And then there's the technology. The sheer number of tools for scripting, voiceovers, video editing, and graphic design is enough to make anyone's head spin. It feels like you need to be a professional filmmaker just to compete. This leads to the biggest dream killer of all, the content treadmill. The relentless pressure to be constantly creating, editing, and uploading just to stay relevant. It's a recipe for burnout, and it's why so many channels are abandoned after just a few months. The initial excitement fades, replaced by the exhausting reality of the grind. But here's the good news, the breakthrough idea that changes everything. YouTube automation offers a scalable, systematic way to build a profitable channel. It allows you to generate passive income, produce high-quality faceless content, and grow your audience with significantly less stress, but only if you set it up correctly from the very beginning. This isn't about magic buttons or overnight success. It's about building a smart, efficient business. Think of it like a content assembly line. Instead of you personally handling every single step, you create a process. You have a system for generating ideas, a system for writing scripts, a system for creating voiceovers, and a system for editing it all together into a polished final video. Imagine what that would feel like. Imagine maintaining a steady, consistent flow of videos hitting your channel every week, like clockwork, without you being chained to your desk. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that your videos have been watched by thousands of people and have earned you money while you were sleeping. This system frees up your time, your energy, and your mental space for other pursuits. Whether that's traveling, starting another business, learning a new skill, or simply spending more quality time with the people you love, automation is the key that unlocks that freedom, all while your income flows in effortlessly in the background. That is the promise of what we're going to build together in this comprehensive guide. We are leaving no stone unturned. We'll start by breaking down exactly what YouTube automation is, and just as importantly, what it isn't. Then, we'll dive deep into the foundation of your entire business, how to research and pick a profitable niche that you can dominate. After that, we'll construct your content creation system piece by piece, showing you the best tools and workflows for scripting, voiceovers, and video editing. We'll show you how to optimize your videos for explosive growth, cracking the code of the YouTube algorithm with powerful SEO strategies and irresistible thumbnails. We'll explore the multiple ways to monetize your channel, going far beyond simple ad revenue. And crucially, we'll teach you how to scale your operation by finding, hiring, and managing talented freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, transforming you from a solo creator into a business owner. Plus, throughout it all, we'll share critical insider tips to help you avoid the common, costly mistakes that cause 99% of beginners to fail. If you are ready to build a real, automated online business that generates passive income, you're in the right place. Let's begin. First, Let's understand what YouTube automation really means. It's a term you've probably heard buzzing around, often painted as a magical way to make money online with zero effort. But let's clear the air right away. While it is a powerful business model, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategy, oversight, and an initial investment of either time or money. At its heart, YouTube automation is about building a system. It's managing and growing your channel mainly through a smart combination of tools, software, and outsourcing talent. Think of it like setting up a virtual production line for your content. You are the architect, the director, and the CEO of your own media company. Instead of you, the creator, being responsible for every single step, you delegate. Let's break down what that looks like. For scripting, you might use AI generators for a first draft or hire a writer from a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. For the voiceover, you could use incredibly realistic AI software or hire a human voice actor for unique personality. And for video editing, rather than spending dozens of hours in software, you hand everything to a freelance editor who assembles the final product. This is where the conveyor belt assembly line truly comes to life. So if you're not doing the writing, recording, or editing, what are you doing? Your role shifts from being a hands-on creator to a strategic manager. You're the one researching profitable niches, analyzing video performance, and making high-level decisions about content direction. You focus on quality control, ensuring every video meets your brand's standard. This approach allows you to produce consistent, high-quality content at a scale that would be impossible for a single person, all while you focus on the big-picture growth strategies. By building these systems, you unlock the potential to scale, perhaps even running multiple channels across different niches, creating a diverse and resilient digital business. All right, step 2. This is arguably the most important decision you'll make. Choosing your niche isn't just picking a topic, it's defining the entire foundation of your channel. Get this right, and you're building on solid rock. Get it wrong, and even the best videos will struggle to find an audience. Next, picking the right niche is crucial. Your goal is to find the sweet spot. Look for high demand with low competition, a sweet spot where your videos can stand out. This means finding topics people are actively searching for, but where the search results aren't already dominated by massive channels. This is your opening to get discovered by an eager, underserved audience. To find it, you need to be a data detective. Use tools like Google Trends to see if a topic's popularity is growing or just a fad. Then, install browser extensions like TubeBuddy and VidIQ. These are essential. They overlay data directly onto YouTube, giving you a score for any keyword based on search volume versus competition. They do the hard work of spotting these golden opportunities for you. A key strategy is niching down. Instead of gaming, try strategy guides for indie puzzle games. You'll attract a more dedicated audience. This also helps you avoid overly saturated or controversial niches. Saturated markets are tough to break into, and controversial ones risk demonetization. From the start, focus on those with good monetization potential. Niches like finance or tech often attract higher-paying ads, setting you up for success. Now, let's create a system for producing videos efficiently. Use AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai for scripts, AI voice generators like Murph, and stock footage platforms like InVideo. Design thumbnails with Canva or Photoshop, and schedule videos using YouTube Studio. To get seen, optimize your videos for search. Research keywords, craft compelling titles, write detailed descriptions, and use relevant tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails and schedule uploads for maximum reach. Once your channel gains traction, start earning. Enable AdSense, promote affiliate products, secure sponsorships, and sell digital products. Diversifying income maximizes earnings and reduces risk. As your channel grows, consider scaling. Hire scriptwriters, editors, voiceover artists. Use Trello or Notion to manage tasks. Feeling overwhelmed? Fiverr connects you to expert freelancers for scriptwriting, editing, voiceovers, and more. Here are 3 top-rated Fiverr experts to kickstart your automation journey. Zahidgul specializes in full automated faceless channels. Arslan Arshad, expert in channel management and monetization. Rimsha Z, comprehensive automation services. Avoid these pitfalls. Violating YouTube policies. Always stay compliant. Over-automating without quality control. Review your content regularly. Ignoring analytics. Monitor and adapt based on data. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Start small, stay consistent, and be strategic. Remember, success is a journey. Keep learning, refining, and pushing forward. Thank you for joining us on this YouTube automation tutorial. We're glad you took the time to explore this powerful opportunity with us. Feeling busy or finding the process a bit overwhelming? No problem. Check out the expert profiles linked in the description below. Let experienced freelancers help you launch your faceless channel and start building your YouTube empire today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more content just like this, designed to help you grow, automate, and succeed on YouTube. Have a great day.